What's going on, everyone? Happy Black Friday. That Ford Ranger guy here. Do you have this problem? If so, let's go over how to fix that. As far as the ease of it and the tools needed, it comes with the Torx you need, and all you need from yourself is a 10mm wrench or ratchet. Everything else it comes with. Now it is the DZ tailgate assist for 15 plus Fords. You know, it might work on some others. I don't know if the brackets will line up though, but it does come with some instructions with pictures step by step. But if you like the video, that's why I did it. So to start, you're going to want to remove completely the front bolt and only partially remove the rear. Pretty much you're just making enough room to slide this behind there. You can use some blue Loctite or something if you wanted to, if you're worried about it jiggling loose after removing the factory torque. I'm not too worried about it though. Now mind you, everything on this damn truck is aluminum nowadays, so don't go too tight and end up pulling the threads out. So next you want to remove the little hook. I'm going to use my Ford Ranger keys. And you're going to want to lift up the tailgate just a little bit so you can actually get it up and off, just like that. Then you're going to want to use the supplied Torx wrench that they give you. It might be easier to use an actual socket. This one might be kind of tight, but no, it wasn't that bad. And then just like with the other one, you could put some thread lock on there. I don't recommend it. And you'll put her back on, making sure to get it as level as possible in the process. Now you're going to want to make sure you have the ridged end on the top, just like so, and the small end on the bottom. Now it does come with 2 extra keeper clips for the balls if you need them. Now it did come with a smaller nut for the top. There was an Allen key that was a little shorter, but from what I can see, it doesn't actually touch. It's close, but it doesn't touch. So I opted to stay with the factory nut. And if you are worried about it scratching behind there or on here, it does come with this sticker just to kind of cover it, but I'm not going to use that. That's sweet. I must say, 10 out of 10. Super easy. Took me 10 minutes because I'm recording. Just overall, super happy with how it turned out. And if you don't have the money to have that option with the automatic tailgate and whatnot, this is the one for you. I'll post the product in the description. And if you enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you do it to your own. Have a good one.